I'm gonna start working on the box, but first I'm gonna show you guys what I got. You can find all the stuff at the dollar store, but you can also get it at like Target or anything like that. I'm showing you guys ideas. You guys can go out and buy like better products of these, or you can definitely get these because these are still really good ones, but I'm kind of just giving you guys ideas. You can kind of make it your own. My voice is like messed up right now. It's been like weird the whole day. This doesn't have to be a Valentine's box. This could just be like a red box, but since Valentine's Day is coming up, I just decided to do a Valentine's box. And also, don't mind my nails, I know they're bad. Okay, first I got a red poster. You can get these for literally so cheap at the dollar store, literally like $1 obviously. And then you're just gonna get a box, and that's how you kind of make the box like red. And I'm kind of doing a box of love. You could do like a box of hugs, box of love, box of kisses, whatever. And then I just got this little balloon. I'm gonna trim it, but it just says Happy Valentine's Day. It's really cute. And then also I've done a yellow box. I'll link it down below. Of course, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen that. Just a red bow. I put it on the front. I think it just like makes it so much cuter. This is a red and pink box, so it's not all red. This is a rose face mask. This is a eye mask, and it's pink. I think I'm gonna take it out of the packaging though. This is a candle. This is just strawberries and cream. It really annoys me how the label isn't in the middle though. I just got some little candy. I just got pixie sticks. Those just like remind me of like the day. Okay, this says Happiness the cup. I think it's so cute. It's a little coffee mug. These are just some charcoal patches. I just thought they were perfect because they were like pink colored. Yeah, these are just some kisses. Literally perfect if you're doing like a box of kisses or something. That's perfect. This was a really good find. I literally found this at the dollar store. This is lip oil, and lip oil has been really popular, and this says like Be Mine on it. It's so cute. These are just some socks. I thought these were like so cute with a little dog on them. It's so adorable. I always do ice because they have so many different flavors of this. It's so easy to find like a color that you're doing. I think I did like pineapple for the last one, but this one's black raspberry, and look at how pretty that already looks. Okay. Gobstoppers, heartbreakers. I just think you should definitely get a lot of like box candy and stuff like this because it's so easy to fill up the box with. Red Hots, or not Red Hots, Big Reds. I just got some flowers because I like to like put these in there to kind of stick out. And then, oh, there's some more stuff at the bottom. Pink nail polish. This is just some ideas, obviously, you guys. I'm just giving you guys ideas and kind of things I would put in there. Starburst. I thought those were cute. Next bag over here. This is such a mess. Okay. Bath bombs. These are so cute. They're cherry blossom. I'm literally making the biggest mess ever. Okay, these, I literally have one. My friend gave me one of these. I have this exact one, and my friend gave it to me, and it hangs on my bed. I would show you guys it, but it's like all the way over there, and my room's really messy, but there's that. These are just candy that I actually just bought for me and my brother, so those aren't for the box. These are Micro Wipes. They're pink, so that's why I thought they were like perfect, because it's like stuff you can actually use too. I don't know if anybody actually likes these. If you do, I'm sorry. I've just never seen anybody buy these, but I just thought they were cute and they were red, so I got them. This I kind of just sprinkle in. It's the like decorative stuff just for decoration. You don't need to do that. I got some really random stuff. I got this little cone that says You're Terrific. I don't know, I just thought this was cute. Kind of unnecessary, but it was cute and it was cheap. Slime, like, yes. This is so weird. Like, is it, well, I want to see what it looks like. Is it open? Oh no, it's sealed. Am I stupid? It's a little puffball keychain. We literally saw this at the checkout and I was like, okay, kind of cute though. This is a beauty blender. Like, These little things that stick out, they're little heart picks. I thought those were so cute. Oh, there's another beauty blender. These are little chocolates that I'm just gonna sprinkle in there. Cheez-Its, because everybody likes like snacky food, so I'll get some after snack foods too. Bubble gum, and what's the last thing we have in here? Just some like silly string. It's just fun. Okay, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away, but I'm going to cover this box cover the outside in red, and I'm also gonna cut this off. I just cut those off, so now I just have just the box, and now I'm gonna cover the outsides with the red paper. I'm gonna put this in and then put the bow on. It's already looking so cute where it's time to decorate, so let's do it. I'm gonna be using my yellow box for inspiration. If you have not seen my yellow box, I'll link it down below, but it's one of my most popular videos. Okay, so update, it looks so good. You can't see some of the stuff, like there's like a drink down there that you can't see, but I'm doing the finishing touches right now. I'm gonna kind of tell you guys how I arrange it. So I basically put bigger things in the back, like snacks and stuff like that, just things to like pop out and make it look like there's more stuff in the bag, and then the smaller stuff at the bottom, so they kind of first look at that and be like, oh my god, that's so cute. And then I always put flowers because I feel like it really adds like something and just like makes it pop. I have this balloon. I don't know if I'm gonna use it though, but I definitely am going to sprinkle some of these little Valentine's hearts everywhere, and then I'm also going to put these in there, the little heart picks. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll show you guys the final result. I just finished and I am in love with this. I'm basically going to show you guys what I did to finish it and kind of where I placed everything. So of course I have the bow with the box that is red. I have these fake flowers. I have the drink like under the flowers. You can't even see it. I have like the lip oil, the candle. I put these like chocolates all around the box and they just like finalize it. There's some stuff that you can't see. It's kind of like buried under there. I have the face mask. I have some candy and some food. I have like some socks. I love these. I think what really finishes off the box is these little heart things and the candies. I literally put one at the top of the cup. I think it's so cute. Little monkey candy. I have like kisses, big reds, a little silly string, little pom-pom stuff. There's some cute little things. More candy. You guys see the starburst, and then the things at the top like little masks and the candy. I'm in love with this box. You guys can give this for Valentine's Day or just whenever, if they like red or just you think it's cute for like love or friendship or whatever. This box turned out so good. I'm obsessed. This is the final box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this and shopping for all this stuff, and it turned out so good. Yeah, you can get this stuff like anywhere, so definitely let me know if you guys make it and check out my yellow one if you haven't. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I love how this box turned out. It looks so cute. So bye guys.